Ram truck. The new racing metal series. It smells like pretty girl. It smells like flowers. It's been in an antique shop, I think. Ultimate blue card. Early, mid to late 90s style car. This is not early 90s, and it smells pretty. Can you smell it? Can you smell the air? It smells good. It smells like $1,000,000. Smells like someone doused it with perfume. Yummy. Hot Wheels. Chrome. Kind of a dome. Copper chrome. Chrome everywhere, actually. Plastic and rubber. Plastic and metal. With a purple ramp. This will hold excuse me. This will hold the Hot Wheels, I'm sure. I never tried it because I never opened it up. Something like that. I just did 4 cars today. I don't want to show, Mo. Mo. Funky days. See, they're funky, not the other. Funky. I don't say the bad word. Funky. See you later. 4 cars for today. Adios. Sayonara.